Amanda, Cliff, different names. Same knees in the sand, same sky above the swings, same laugh in the throat. We used to run with scraped up hands, chasing shadows on the monkey bars. No money, no flags, no master plan, just a heartbeat and a jar of stars. We didn't ask who owned the sun, or who was rich, or who was right. We only knew the day had begun, and the world was warm and light. And the sandbox made us kings, with castles made of time. Then the bell rang, the years got loud, and we forgot the rhyme. But we're still kids in the playground, still drawing worlds in dust, still building little empires, still praying someone trusts. You can change your suit and title, put your crown behind your grin, but beneath the steel and numbers, there's a child still trying to win. Now we walk with our important faces, like the sky depends on what we say. Trading love for little races, trading wonder for the daily gray. We call it power, call it fate, call it growth, call it control. But it's the same old game of late, just a bigger, emptier goal. Same hands that built a castle wall now build a tower high, and fear becomes the playground rule when nobody can cry. But we're still kids in the playground, still trying to be seen, still hiding little heartbreaks in the spaces in between. And if we don't remember laughter, we'll turn the slide to rust. So drop the mask, forgive the past, come back to what is just. Don't dominate, don't manipulate, don't paint your hunger onto someone else's face. We were never meant to rule the world, we were meant to feel it, to hold it like a firefly, not crush it when we steal it. And every war is just a tantrum dressed in medals and a suit, every throne is just a sandbox with a jealous little brute. So call me Michael, call you Jenny, call her Amanda, call him Cliff. All these names are just a penny on the river's moving drift. We're the same kids, different decade, same soft heart behind the bone, still looking for a friend at dusk, still scared to be alone. Yeah, we're still kids in the playground, so let the fences fall, let the proud become the honest, let the big become the small. We can build without destroying, we can lead without the lie. Take my hand back to the swings, we were born to touch the sky. Michael, Jenny, Amanda, Cliff. Same laughter, same light, still kids, still here, still learning how to be kind.